Hello my friends and welcome to my desk tour. This house is just a huge big open space. So like over here is our living room, which is pretty decent size. But then we have this huge massive space over here, and then to the left is the dining room and kitchen. So it was kind of just like this huge space of emptiness. It was really serving no purpose whatsoever. I used to have this desk over at that door right there, so it blocked the sliding glass door, and I never used it because I sat looking at the sun, and the sun comes in here in the morning and it would blind me. So I was like, oh, well, forget that. Basically what I did was turn the desk around, put it in the middle of the room with a rug, and it is seriously so amazing. I love it so much more now because now I'm actually facing everybody. So if the kids are over here, then I can look at them. There's a little Moshi on her beanbag and the cats. And then the sun is not blinding me. And it just looks quite grand, doesn't it? Like from this angle, I really love it. So we're just gonna go ahead and take a peek. This rug that I have is from TJ Maxx. I got it probably a couple years ago. I really like it, it's super nice. My desk is from IKEA. It is the Hemnes desk. I will link everything down that I can find that is still available for you guys to purchase. So if you come from this angle, then these are my Valentines Day Roses. Honestly, they probably have seen better days, but I'm just gonna hang on to them till they're really dead. I put a little bit of blue and red food coloring in the water just to make it look like it's a soft pink. Over here we have my Khloe Kardashian Strong Looks Better Naked book, which has amazing salad recipes. I love her book, it's really good. And then the Sophia Amoroso Girl Boss. Honestly, I read it, I thought it was good, but it wasn't like super duper sucking me in. It was just good. And then I have this candle here, which is by, what is it by? Eclectic by Tom Dixon, London. It's quite nice, just a nice copper candle. Then I have this mug. I got that from Trinket. It's just my Unicorn Fierce one. I keep all of my like pencils. These are the Zoella Pencils. I got those from Feel Unique. Burberry sent me these two little coloring pencils, so I just think those are kind of snazzy because they're Burberry. These rose gold scissors I got from Amazon. I love them, they're really good. And then I just ordered these from Forever 21, so they'll still be available. They're a bunch of like really cute pastel markers that I use for my planner, and they're all different colors. They're super duper cute, and they're like dual-sided, so like one is just a point and then one you can make thick or thin. So I love those. Over here I have a lovely little dish. It just says hello love. I got it at TJ Maxx. And then I have these little, whatever they're called, binder clips from TJ Maxx. This was actually in PR, and then I painted it rose gold. Over here is a dish that was a gift as well. I think that was from Sigma. It just says Mom Goals. And then I have more little binder clips. Over here is a few of my other books. This one is the Kate Spade All in Good Taste. I really like that one. It's just got some really cool, like, kind of hostess tips. This is the Jennifer Lopez True Love. And I actually have not read it yet, but I plan to one day. And then this is the Little Dictionary of Fashion from Christian Dior. I got that at TJ Maxx as well. And then over here I have another candle. I just got this in my FabFitFun. Oh, that's really hot. Okay, don't touch metal when it's hot. That's in the FabFitFun box for spring. Oh my gosh, guys, it is the best smelling candle. I've already almost burned it all down. And I just got it. It's so good. And then over here is another little dish. It just says Pretty Things. I got that at TJ Maxx. And then this is the Emily Cordon Lip Balm. I love it because it's really pretty. This is the color number 43 Pamela Mediterranean Big. It's the cashmere on lip pop. I always like to keep a chapstick on my desk because, you know, your lips get dry. This is a cute little lantern, light, whatever you want to call it. My friend got this for me. Karen picked it up from TJ Maxx, and she surprised it with me one day, which was really sweet. Now we're moving around to kind of like the front. This chair I got, it's one of these like the white plastic ones. They're from Amazon. They're super cheap. And I've just put like a rug over it, so it looks like it's kind of like a big faux fur chair, but it's not. It's just a rug over. The rug is from TJ Maxx. The pillow is from Trinket. It's like this really soft pink velvet. So then on top here, these are the notebooks that I designed with gotcha covered notebooks. and I just love them. I also spilled my Scentsy wax on this. That was not one I designed, but that was from TJ Maxx. But it just says Believe in Unicorns. These are still available to buy, and you can actually personalize them, so that's kind of cool. But I just love the design we came up with. I just think it's so cute. It's like a little spiral notebook, so I have that smaller one. This one I got from TJ Maxx, but there's the Scentsy wax. Bama! And then that one is a big one, and it just says Sam. So there's a few different sizes that you can get. I got one for Lily as well, but she's already used all of the pages up. But I just keep those there because I feel like I created this and I feel nice about it. So then I have this little dish. This is from Smoko. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It's a little Smoko unicorn. When I'm doing my work on my computer, and if I have a watch on or a bracelet, sometimes they can like dink, like clink on the computer, and it's very uncomfortable on my wrist. So I take them off and then I put them in here. And then this is just a little ring I just got from a store up here called Earthbound. Oh my gosh, they have the cutest stuff. It's like all kind of like natural, I don't even know what the word would be, boho, I suppose. And then this watch is MVMT. And then this bracelet is by, what is it? I cannot remember. Gorjana, I think. So that's just my little jewelry dish. That's what this is what it looks from the side. I have it so that the books are facing me as far as the pages, so that when you look out for like other people, it looks prettier. This rose right here is a gift. I think Jay got this for me for Valentine's Day a couple years ago, and it's like a forever rose. You can get them on Amazon. It's basically a rose covered in like, I don't know what it is, glass or something. Not glass, I suppose it would be like resin, but it will never die, and it's actually a real rose, but it'll never die. So that was a really cute gift he got me. Right here we have the Field and Fleur Peony Blush Fragrance Mist. That's just like a room spray, and I keep it in here so I can spray the room so it smells nice. In here I have my little letter organizer. These little cards are so cute. I got them from L'Oreal as a gift, but look at the envelope. It's eyelashes. Isn't that so cute? So I just keep all my thank you cards in there so that I can write people thank you cards or whatever I need to do. I got these 2 pictures with Polaroids of the kids in here, my little cuties, so I can look at them when they're on my little desk. My stapler I got from TJ Maxx. My tape dispenser I also got from TJ Maxx. And then over here I have my laptop. My laptop case is from Amazon, I believe. It's just a soft pink color. It's nice because it just protects the case, and then it's nice and pink. And then this planner I got, this is from Ban.do. I found mine at TJ Maxx, but you can find them on Amazon. It just says I am very busy, and it's really cute. It comes with like a bunch of stickers. Hold on a minute. See, I've already used a bunch, but it comes with stickers. It's really cute, and then like it's all like organized by tabs. So like February's is really cute. It says all heart eyes on you, girl. Like it's really cute. And then it has like this little strap as well, which is nice. Then let's see what March looks like. March says, am I dreaming? And it's cute because like on different pages, it'll have like little notes. You make it rainbows, so like see, it has notes. And then like right here, it says, have a picnic in the park with old friends. Are you seriously this cool all the time? Like it's got little kind of like inspirational, like, I don't know, what's it? And it also has like random like holidays as well. Like this right here, National Grilled Cheese Day. Like who knew? But yeah, they're just really cute, like all fun, like little designs. It's just colorful and cute and fun, and I really like it. I want to see July because that's my birthday month. You are the real deal. So that's my planner, and I write in it with my cute little markers so that it's all colorful and fun, and I love it. And then here's my phone. This case is from Velvet Caviar. I do have a coupon code for it. It's I'll put it in the description box because I can never remember it. And then this was actually a gift I got from Incredible Makeup. It was just like a little, what are they called? Pop sockets. And they sent it to me, and it actually matches really well. So I have that on there because these phones are so big. Like, how can you not have a pop socket? So then we have my water bottle. This is by Ban.do. It is so cute. It has these gorgeous little flowers on, and I love the pop top of it. It just looks so pretty. And I figure if I keep water on my desk, it will be staring at me, and then I'll have to drink it more. And then this was a candle lid, but I just used it as a coaster because it's cute. That's what this candle looks like from the front. So it's super nice, I love it. And then those are my roses that probably, they've got maybe 2 days left. My soft pink water. And then here is some Ted Baker body lotion and body spray. I don't use the body spray a whole lot, but it looks nice there. But this lotion, like, oh crap. Look how pretty this looks with the little peony on the side. I actually got this in England when we were visiting my family, but I always like to keep like a hand cream or some type of lotion on my desk because my hands are so dry all the time. And this one just looks really pretty. And then over here, I have this little dish. What does it say? All My Love. I got it from TJ Maxx. I have this little Vince Camuto perfume because it looks pretty. And then I have these little 2 random magnets. Don't actually know where I got those from. I'm assuming TJ Maxx. And then this is it's the Little Things notebook from Zoella Lifestyle. I buy my Zoella stuff from feelunique.com. I believe this is still available. It's like a 2-pack, so it comes with like 2 different notebooks. And then this is also really cute. This is also from Zoella. I just love her stuff. She's adorable. So it's just got like little notes, and like that's what I use for my shopping lists. And then it's got like little goals. That's obviously quite old. I haven't used it. I use the shopping lists the most. And then this is another notebook from Zoella Lifestyle. I actually haven't used it yet, but it's just this gorgeous, like, oh, I love it so much. Isn't that pretty? Just a nice notebook. I mean, I'm kind of weird. I have a lot of notebooks. Don't really use them, but you never know when you might need paper, you know? I do use this. Don't use these because they're too cute. I don't want to ruin them. So I just have them as decor instead because I'm weird like that. I'm gonna stick it all on here perfectly. I like it all to be like perfectly symmetrical. Otherwise it stresses me out. And then for the knobs, these I actually got from TJ Maxx, and I just customized this desk because they come with the little black knobs, which is fine, but I just thought these look a little bit more like glam. So I put 2 on the drawers and then 1 over on the little door. And then from like my angle, it looks like that. Isn't that so cute? I just love my desk so much. It's so beautiful. It makes me happy. Don't mind these bits right here. That's when we moved, it got all scratched. I could probably just retouch it up with paint, but I'm too nervous. I might actually put a marble contact paper on the top of this to make it look like a marble desk like I did. I'll just show you my coffee table real quick. So this is my coffee table, and see, this is just marble contact paper. I'll leave the video down below because we did a DIY on it, but I was thinking about doing that to my desk so it looks like it's a marble top to cover those little like mangled bits, because doesn't it look nice? Like, it really turned out so well. I'll give you a little sneak peek at Moo. Oh, she wants love. She wants a snuggle. This is her bean bag. She's claimed it. She sleeps in here all the time because the sun comes in here and she gets in her little nook and she just loves it. She's such an old lady. And then little Pepsi Peps. Hello. And the stinky little tiddles. This is what they do all day long. Literally, that's his spot. That's Peppa's spot. That's Moo's spot. So I hope you guys like my desk tour. I love the way it turned out. I think it looks really nice. It's beautiful with like the big huge windows, and it's snowing right now, so it's all festive and cozy out there. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.